How to fix your Facebook account disabled for 180 days. First, what you'll have to do is open up any web browser. I'll be using Safari, you can use whichever you want. After you do that, just go to the search bar and search for Facebook support. After you search for it, you will see something like this. So right here, you will have recover your Facebook option. Now it can be on any of this on line 3rd, 4th or 5th. It's on the top right here. So just open it up. Now, if it redirects you to the app, what you can simply do is long press on the link and open it up in another tab. So after you do that, if you scroll down a bit, you will see something like this. So just tap on no on this was this helpful and tap on others. So right here, what you need to do is you need to type in something, give your explanation. So right here, what I've written is I need to recover my Facebook account as it was disabled for 180 days. Now, you need to tell them that you have not gone against the community guidelines and make sure that you have not gone against it as well. So, after doing this and writing something along these lines, what you need to do is you'll need to mention your Facebook's detail. So, you can write your email address or your Facebook's username and something like that, and then just hit on submit. After you hit on submit, you will get an ticket and you get reached back by this Facebook help center, and you can talk to them, communicate with them, and they will fix the problem for you. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you can recover your Facebook account that has been disabled for 180 days. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.